Hi, I bet you're wondering, should I get a patent or keep my product a trade secret? Well, sometimes you can't keep things a trade secret. If you're going to sell the product and somebody could buy it and reverse engineer it, then any trade secret would not operate. So in that case, you would want to try and get a patent application to cover it. If you have a secret process to make something, and there are many examples of this, that is a good process where you can keep it secret and the public can't figure it out. An example would be the Coca-Cola formula. As we all know, that's been around well over 100 years, and nobody's figured it out yet. Same thing with Kentucky Fried Chicken. That's a trade secret. Now, sometimes a question comes up, well, if I file a patent on my product, maybe people will know everything about it, and then they'll be able to make it themselves. Well, sometimes we can patent various aspects of your product and keep the part that people can't readily figure out a trade secret. But then we would have a patent here, a patent here, a patent here, and then a trade secret part in the middle, so that each patent could be contained and complete within itself, and you might be able to license the different sub-patents out to various other manufacturers or companies and still keep the trade secret on your core product. This is not to be done by amateurs. We are happy to meet with you and discuss this in detail to see if your product qualifies for this. Please give us a call and schedule an appointment. Thank you.